Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. And we've got another unboxing to do. Pretty sure this has come from France, Le Post. And a bit of a ding in the corner there. Hopefully that hasn't damaged anything. At the moment I can't remember what this is. So, be a bit of a surprise for all of us. Now where's that? Oh no, got some lime coloured peanuts. Got something here. I think I know what this is. Just feeling around in here. Rightio. Well, just off the bat, I'd say these are vintage razor blades, but I'm not 100% sure. Oh no, I think these aren't razor blades, but I think I know what they are. These are to store your razor blade after you've shaved with it. So you put your blade down in here, you just put that on top, and that allows the blade to dry. Two different ones here. So let's put that rubbish to one side. Now I'm pretty sure what we've got here. This isn't a razor. This is some special shaving soap from a fellow named Gwen, who lives in France, who's just started his own little shave company. And it's a child-proof box, so that means I'm not going to be able to get into it. Here we go. So there's the front of it. I'll leave links in the description if you're interested in chasing this up. Now this is really nice. Oh yeah. I don't want to break the sticker. There may be no way around it. Let's see. Oh no, there he is. Check out this, people. That's porcelain. That's the front of it. I can't pronounce that. Isfahan. That's beautiful presentation. Okay. Oh, look at that. Yeah, smells good. That's amazing presentation. This Gwen he's a real shaving fanatic. He is a member of a group that I'm a part of. And yeah, this isn't a paid commercial. And yeah, so if you're interested in buying this, because this is beautiful, like this presentation, if you really want a really sexy shaving soap in an excellent container, I can get onto this. I'll just, and it comes with an aftershave. So there's the aftershave, 100ml. So it's got alcohol in it, water. It's alcohol denat, so it's a bit of a different alcohol. Aqua and others. Let's give it a sniff. Oh, that's nice. This smells different. Yeah, real classy, very classy. I've got to get this. I've got to do a shave video real soon with this one. Okay, thanks for sticking around. It wasn't a razor blade or a razor unboxing, but yeah, this is special stuff, and I'll leave links for you all to click on and chase up if you want. But this is great. This is just beyond what's needed, but that's just amazing presentation. Okay, thank you and ciao for now.